it's your boy Young J, and you see we back with another video, man. But I told y'all boys, bro, I was gonna give y'all a tutorial and a video on the splitter, and that's what I'm doing today, bro. As y'all can see, I put the splitter on myself, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna show y'all the screws that I put it in. I'm gonna show y'all everything, bro. On this channel, bro, I don't do no gatekeeping, no none of that, bro. I'm gonna let y'all know everything y'all wanna know, bro. All the mods I did to my Jeep, you can go look back and you gonna see everything, the whole transformation, bro. The main thing, let me show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all basically in the link in the description, bro. It's gonna be where I got the splitter at, and this is how it looks. Like, as you see, it don't go up too high on the side, but it's just enough to how I like it. And this is how it looks actually on the truck. And this splitter right here, I believe is like 4 pieces. It's like 3 or 4 pieces. The link in is gonna be in the description for it, bro. But this is how it actually looks close up. I really got this one because I like the red in it, and I know it's gonna match the red that I got on my truck. But as y'all can see, bro, this thing really is tough, bro. I ain't gonna lie. And I'm gonna show y'all the back one real quick as well. So the back splitter that I was talking about is on the side. I put this on there. Wait, let me let it focus. You see? This little small piece right there. And on this side, you already know it's quad tags. On this side, I put it on this side too. And this, the splitter piece that I got, bro, it come with all that. If y'all boys wanted it, it come with everything. So I'm gonna put the link in the description, but main thing y'all wanna know probably is how I put it on here. So I'm gonna actually go under the truck, bro. Now I'm gonna show y'all boys. If you can see, I know y'all see them screws right there. Let me see. Y'all see that screw right there? I literally just screwed it in under, bro. Literally. Like, that's all I did, bro. Ain't nothing crazy, but I jacked it up and then put it on so it was a little easier. The back kind of lifted up already, so you really don't have to, you see what I'm saying? You ain't gonna have to jack it up from the back to get the back pieces on. But it really do, in person, bro, you can see it a lot better. But I ain't gonna lie, bro, the splitter, that bit actually look nice on this bit, bro. Like, from the back and from the front. The sides, bro, I'm thinking about ordering a different, see, like the splitter, it come with pieces for the side. Y'all gonna see when y'all click the link, bro, because I got it off of eBay. But it come with the pieces on the side. But main thing, I don't know if y'all can see right here, they got this little back piece right here. This was the only thing stopping me from putting the side splitter on. Now let me let it focus. I don't know what this little back piece is right here, but this right here is the only thing that stopped me. This wire right here, bro, is to my underglow lights. Cause let me show y'all. Y'all see the little strip? That's the little underglow strip right there that I got on my truck. But that's the wire that go to it. But that part right there, bro, that's the only part that really stopped me from hold on, let me put my the camera thing back on. Hold on, my bad, y'all. Got this back on. Let me see. I ain't gonna edit this video too much though, but this is how it look now, bro. And the main thing I'm trying to say is, like, that side piece is the only thing, bro. That's the only thing that really prevented me from getting the side splitters put on. But I'm thinking about really just ordering like a different side piece, cause I know they're gonna have like a custom skirt for Jeeps. And only thing, I'm gonna really have to take that back piece off, bro, cause that's just gonna be in the way. And it's gonna be hard to kind of even it out. You see what I'm saying? Cause look, bro, now you can see, that's the only piece that really hang down a little extra right there. And the skirt, it was kind of like flat. So it's like, me putting it flat with that piece right there, it wasn't gonna work. I ain't gonna lie to you. That bit was not gonna work, bro. That bit was not gonna work, brother. But main thing, bro, I'm really just here to show y'all boys how the splitter came out. To me, bro, it came out crazy though, gang. I'm not gonna lie to you. And they do have, as you can see on this side, you get to adjust it however you want it. But I do got a little spacing in them. It's not as much space, but I do got a little spacing in them, bro. On this side, I had adjusted it a little tighter, so it's not as much space. And main thing, I did have to cut it, bro, because I got bigger tires and rims. So as you can see right here, I had to kind of chip a piece off. I had to cut this little piece off, bro, because if not, when I turn, my tire was gonna keep hitting it. So I had to kind of just chip it down some. That's all I really had to do, just on this side though. I ain't really had to touch the other side, bro, because the other side was already straight. I ain't gonna lie to you. You see this side? This side was good. It's really gonna come rounded off. But this side, I ain't really have a problem with it touching close to the tire, so I ain't cut this side. But the other side was really the only problem that I was having. But as y'all can see, bro, it really did come out nice. And it came out how I wanted it to, bro. The red kind of matched the red that I got on my windshield. Everything kind of just go together, bro. And that's all I really wanted. Main thing next, bro, I'm gonna try to get a new hood on here. If y'all know where I can get a new hood for this thing, bro, let me know in the comment section, bro, because I'm really trying to get a new hood on here. If y'all want to see me wrap this thing or do something else to it, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll probably do it. And I had one more thing in mind, bro. I want to get the wide, like not the wide body, but like the bigger fender flares, the bigger pieces to go on the side, bro. I forgot. I don't really know what they call it, but I'm gonna do more research on it so I can look into it. Because up here, bro, the little smaller plastic piece I used to have, bro, that piece would be flying off. Like every time you get up to like 80, 100, that bit gone, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. But as y'all can see, bro, I'm gonna just get like a little more B-roll to show y'all how everything looking. It really do look pretty good though, bro. I ain't gonna lie. It came out nice, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. And I did this all myself, bro. I put it on myself. You don't gotta pay nobody. You don't gotta go to nobody. Just get some one-tap, self-tap screws. Screw that bit in with a drill, bro, and you good, bro. And from the side, you can see the back little splitter pieces. It kind of stick out a little bit, just how I want it to, bro. It look good, bro. Like for real, it really look good, bro. Like in person, bro, y'all will really be able to see it better. But it really do look good, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. So if y'all want hurry up and grab the splitter before they all sold out, I suggest you hurry up and grab that bit. Cause the splitter, I mean the side fender, the side, I forgot what they call it, but the side little piece, side skirt, I could easily just order that, so I'm not really tripping. As long as I got my front and back splitters, the side piece, that ain't gonna be nothing, you see what I'm saying? And one thing I was thinking about, y'all let me know if I should do this, bro. If you made it this far, bro, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. But guess what I'm about to do, bro? The side skirt that I put on, I'm gonna have like a red stripe. Kind of like you see how it's red like across? Like I'm gonna have it a black side skirt, but I'm gonna have like a red piece of tape going across, so it kind of match the truck. You see what I'm saying? I'm gonna have to show y'all a deal of what I'm saying, bro. But main thing, bro, if y'all new, man, just make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. For my returning subscribers, just hit that thumbs up, man. Y'all comment, let me know what y'all think, man. If y'all got any questions, bro, leave it in the comment section, bro. I'm gonna get back with y'all. But as always, bro, y'all stay prayed up, man. Thank God each and every day, bro, because without him, bro, nothing will be possible, bro. For real, for real. But I love y'all, man. I'm gonna catch up with y'all boys in the next video. It's your boy Young J. We out, gang. Boom.